Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to scan documents on iPhone. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to open your Notes app. Here you can see I just open it. After open, you can see on the bottom right side there have a create icon. Select it and then select this clip icon and then select scan documents. After that, here you can see I just scan my document and it's already take. Just scan it and take it. So after that, if you just want to see, just tap it and check your scanned document. And if it's okay, then go back and mark this icon. And then if you just want to share with others, just select this icon. And right now you can see there have an option mail, also social media app, Gmail, everything on here. You can share this document with others people very easily. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.